Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl IAmTierraJade, and today I will be showing you how to braid your own hair for a crochet set. So the ideal way to braid your crochet set would be to have all of this flat braided and then the middle to be in like a beehive. But if you're like me and your arms are too small, you can't really braid it in the beehive. So just stay to the end and I'll show you how to put it all together. Okay, first you want to start out on your hair being stretched out and blown out. You're going to need a comb, some clips, and needle and thread. So what you see me doing here is just parting my hair into 4 sections. That way I can track my progress and work through it quicker. So I highly recommend this rather than just trying to attack your whole fro. That can be very overwhelming. So you're just going to see my process of sectioning off my hair. I'm pretty much just feeling for how straight my part is, seeing if I can feel my scalp, and then I'm not stressing it if I can't. I'm just doing the best that I can. So it does not have to be completely straight. It does not have to be perfect. Alright, and that's what you should look like by the time you get done doing your 4 sections. This is where my hair will meet, so that will be my middle part. So those 2 braids will be the smallest. And I'm just starting from the back coming up because that's just easier for me to gauge. And then I'm underhand braiding. You can do the overhand method, whichever one you're comfortable with, but I prefer the underhand. It helps my arms out because the overhand, my arms will be in the air too long and they can become really tired. So that's just a hack for you. I had to start over and get it right for y'all, you know. So we're not braiding it down all the way, but we're braiding it down a good distance. And I'll show you why later. And we're going to repeat the same thing. So you can keep watching if you still need to have assistance with the braiding part. As you can see, I'm not the best braider, but what I do works for me. So if you need more in-depth detail about the braiding, just keep watching. If you are good with the braiding part, you can fast forward to the other sections of the tutorial. Okay, now that we have it all braided, you want to just go ahead and braid it down, combining all the braids together and braiding it all the way down to your ear. And this time we will be braiding all the way down. We're going to do it to the other side as well. I actually would not recommend this method if you're trying to do a sew-in. I have a different braiding method that I will show you guys in a later video, but this is good for just regular crochet braids. Okay, now that that part is complete, now this is the key point, the most important. We're going to tuck that in and sew it down. So what you see me doing is just pulling the thread in between pulling the needle in between the thread as tight as I can, just to get that lump there as flat as possible. We don't really want it to be bulging out because then it will be very, very noticeable. Cutting the thread and then tying it off to secure it. Make sure you do that. And it's still a little lumpy, don't really like that, so I'm going to go back in with some more thread and tighten it on up some more. Get it as flat as I can possibly get it. You see it getting tighter and tighter. You want to make sure you're not to the point where you're hurting yourself, but as tight as you can stand it. Tying it off so that it will stay in place and cutting off the excess thread. Doing the same thing to the other side. I'm trying to make sure I'm in the camera good for you all. So I do apologize if my sausage fingers are blocking the view. But hopefully you're able to see enough. So we're going to do the same method that we did to the front of our head to the back of our heads. Exactly the same. Nothing changed. All right, and so that is what it should look like by the time you are finished braiding it. Be sure to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe and comment. Also, make sure you check out part 2. Thanks for watching.